3 motivations behind why Harmony 1. Mobilized to another untouched high. 1 hits another record-breaking high after a progression of significant associations and the dispatch of a $300 million environment advancement store. Environment improvement reserves have become one of the most recent market-moving patterns in the crypto area, and conventions with huge depositories have found that motivating force programs are probably the most ideal way of drawing in new clients and conventions to a venture. One convention that has, as of late, seen its symbolic value rally following the arrival of a Biological System Advancement Award is Harmony, a blockchain convention zeroed in on further developing versatility between networks. The task utilizes cross-sharded contracts and a cross-chain foundation among numerous blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot and the Binance Smart Chain. Information from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that, since hitting a low close $0.095 on August 30, the cost of Harmony 1 has flooded 263% to another record high at $0.345 on October 25 as its 24-hour exchanging volume spiked above $800 million. 3 purposes behind the expanding cost of one: incorporate the dispatch of a $370 million environment improvement store, the effective fulfillment of the Harmony One World Gathering in Lisbon, and the dispatch of some enormous name conventions on the Harmony organization. Environment Advancement Reserve draws in new ability. Concordance reported a $300 million Biological System Advancement Reserve on September 9, and this seems to have been the main thrust behind the meeting found in one in the course of recent months. The expressed objective of the program is to store 10,000 additional crypto authors, developers and creatives to help reinforce and grow the Harmony biological system. Most as of late, the venture delivered a course of events for the year ahead that diagrams how it intends to burn through $180 million from Q4 2021 through Q3 2022 to assist with financing 100 decentralized independent associations, 1,000 bounties, 10 accomplices, 100 awards, 500 dispatches, 50 speculations and 10 hackathons. Proof that the asset is significant with its objective was as of late showed after the convention granted 10 new award beneficiaries during its One World meeting in Lisbon. ONE World Conference draws in a group. One more justification behind the new strength from One is its continuous One World Conference in Lisbon, which is assisting with teaching general society about the abilities of the Harmony, organize and draw in new designers to work in the ecosystem. The occasion was hung on October 18 and corresponded with the start of a cost rally for One, which expanded from 22 cents to another record-breaking high on October 25. One World was planned to agree with Liscon 2021, an Ethereum-centered meeting that was likewise held in Lisbon and exhibited conventions that are interoperable with Ethereum and other blockchains. Protocol mixes and token postings. A third justification behind the energy found in One has been a progression of organizations incorporating mixes with decentralized money, DeFi, stages, for example, of, and Curve. The expansion of 2 of the most generally utilized DeFi applications in the digital currency biological system has helped increment the compass and user base of the Harmony blockchain, which offers a lot of lower exchange expenses for clients of the well-known conventions. Other late combinations incorporate the dispatch of the Wepigi loaning convention and the posting of a $1 pair on Crypto.com. Vortex information from Cointelegraph Markets Pro started to recognize a bullish viewpoint for One on September 29 before the new value rise. The Vortex score, selective to Cointelegraph, is an algorithmic correlation of chronicled and current economic situations got from a mix of information focuses, including market feeling, exchanging volume, late value developments and Twitter activity. As found in the graph over, the Vortex score for One raised into the green zone and arrived at a high at 75 on September 29, around 12 hours before the cost started to increment by 147% over the course of the following month. Concordance price analysis. One coin price sees a drop of 13% after breaking its One coin cost is as of now seeing a drawback energy and can before long hit the following help later on. In the interim, the resource is somewhere near over 13% in the beyond 24 hours. Specialized markers. Harmony proposes a negative energy in the cost for what's to come. Conversely, the One BTC pair has likewise seen a deficiency of over 12%. One coin cost is as of now noticing a disadvantage energy and can before long hit the following help later on. Agreement cost is presently exchanging close 29 cents and is exchanging with a deficiency of over 13% in the beyond 24 hours. The resource cost has before long broken its untouched high and can before long hit another high. It has a ROI of over 1,500%, which has benefited different financial backers before. Agreement is before long going to dispatch a scaffold that can push the cost to even another high. One can gauge that the Harmony cost may before long see new highs sooner rather than later. Amicability market strength alongside the market cap is noticing a slight decay yet can before long return to another high. In the interim, the volume of the coin is additionally seeing a solid flood which can push it to the following help. The volume to advertise cap proportion of the resource recommends a solid bullish pattern and cost. One can put resources into Harmony according to the value activity and hit another high. Bulls of one coin price are ready to push it to a new height week after week. Specialized diagram of the one coin cost recommends a combination energy in the cost for forthcoming weeks. In the meantime, it has seen an addition of over 0.16% in the previous week. Going to the everyday diagram, the coin cost has shaped a negative inundating design in the day-by-day graph. It has framed a solid negative immersing design, which can push the cost to an extraordinary failure. The obstruction zone of the coin can be seen close 35 cents. In the meantime, the help of the one cost can be seen around $0.2 while going down. On the off chance that the coin cost goes 15 to 20% over the current level, a solid potential gain pattern can be seen. One BTC pair can likewise see another high later on. End amicability token will see the dispatch of the scaffold which can push the cost to another high. One BTC pair can likewise see another high later on. One ought to do their due determination before investing. Technical level significant resistance, 35 cents significant support, 0.